guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday, so it means that it's Sunday reset. Actually, this is the first Sunday reset video that I will be making, and I figured and I wanted to share with you guys the Sunday reset. And this is kind of like a weekly thing that I wanted to do. Maybe not like a big weekly video, but like weekly in terms of like myself, because I don't really do this. So this will kind of motivate me to do a Sunday reset, which is very important to kickstart the rest of the week. So I have here all of the things that I will be doing for the Sunday reset. Actually, I am doing a room makeover video currently right now, so this will also be part of that video. By the way, I'm so sorry, I look like not great slight right now because I just went jogging and I just got home, and I figured why not do an intro video right now. It's already 11:14, and yes, welcome to this video, and I hope that you will be motivated to clean your room as well, because I am a lazy person. That's why in my room makeover or like room transformation video, you will see how much mess we make. And this is my ugly sister. Okay, bye. So let's get this party started.
Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo, stuck here in the middle. You tell me that it's simple, but I could paint 1,000 different pictures of what is wrong. But if we turn the clocks back, because time ain't ours, oh, but you fill me up, and I can feel it now.